Welcome back to Quiz Cognito. In today's grade 6 mathematics quiz, we've lined up 50 challenging division questions to test your focus and sharpen your problem-solving skills. Stick around until the very end for the ultimate challenge and see if you've got what it takes to be a true math master. A big thank you to all our amazing viewers and supporters from previous videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more fun and interactive math quizzes. Now, let's dive in. What is 12 divided by 3? That's B, 4. Can you solve 18 divided by 2? It equals A, 9. How much is 20 divided by 5? That's C, 4. Can you figure out the missing height of this cuboid? The total volume is 2,000 cubic centimeters, and the base area is 100 square centimeters. Give this video a like if you proved yourself in the bonus round. What's 36 divided by 6? It comes to A, 6. Say the answer to 15 divided by 3. That's C, 5. What is 24 divided by 4? It equals D, 6. Think fast. Each arrow hides a division trick. Can you solve the sequence and find the missing number after 42? Drop your answer in the comments. How much is 32 divided by 8? That's A, 4. Can you work out 28 divided by 7? It equals C, 4. Word problem. A train covers 1,260 kilometers in 14 hours. How many kilometers per hour? Drop your answer in the comments. What's 45 divided by 9? That's A, 5. Work out 81 divided by 9. It comes to C9. What is 48 divided by 12? That's A, 4. Can you solve 64 divided by 8? It equals C, 8. Divide negative 180 by 15 in a flash. What's the answer? Drop your answer in the comments. 100 divided by 20 equals what? That's A, 5. Divide 96 by 12. It comes to C, 8. What do you get when 84 is divided by 7? That's A, 12. How much is 72 divided by 6? It equals B, 12. Word problem, ratios. A bag has 90 marbles in the ratio 5:4. How many marbles are in the smaller share? Drop your answer in the comments. Solve 56 divided by 4. That's A, 14. What's 63 divided by 9? It comes to B, 7. 90 divided by 10 equals what? That's A, 9. Can you solve 120 divided by 15? It equals B, 8. Solve this. The area of a square is 1,296 square centimeters. What is the length of one side? Drop your answer in the comments. 3/4 divided by 1/2 equals what? That's A, 1.5. 2/3 divided by 1/3 equals what? It equals C, 2. 5/6 divided by 1/6 equals what? That's A, 5. 7/8 divided by 1/4 equals what? It comes to C, 3.5. 3/5 divided by 3/10 equals what? That's A, 2. What's 270 divided by 9? It equals B, 30. Divide 324 by 18. That's A, 18. 400 divided by 25 equals what? It comes to B, 20. Work out 360 divided by 12. That's A, 30. What is 484 divided by 22? It equals C, 22. 7/10 divided by 1/5 equals what? That's D, 3.5. Four ninths divided by 2/9 equals what? It equals D, 2. 5/12 divided by 5/24 equals what? That's C, 2. 9/10 divided by 3/5 equals what? It comes to A, 1.5. 7/15 divided by 7/30 equals what? That's C, 2. What is 1,000 divided by 40? It equals A, 25. Solve 1,200 divided by 50. That's D, 24. 1,500 divided by 60 equals what? It comes to B, 25. What do you get when 1,800 is divided by 90? That's C, 20. 2,000 divided by 80 equals what? It equals A, 25. 5/8 divided by 1/4 equals what? That's D, 2.5. 2/5 divided by 1/10 equals what? It equals A, 4. 9/16 divided by 3/8 equals what? That's C, 2. 11/12 divided by 11/24 equals what? It comes to A, 2. 3/7 divided by 3/21 equals what? That's C, 3. 7/9 divided by 7/18 equals what? It equals A, 2. 4/5 divided by 2/25 equals what? That's C, 10. 5/6 divided by 5/18 equals what? It comes to A, 3. 8/9 divided by 2/27 equals what? That's D, 12. 7/10 divided by 7/100 equals what? It equals A, 10. Great work completing our grade 6 division quiz. Keep practicing to sharpen your skills and build confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next fun math challenge. See you in the next quiz.